have condemned the manner in which Rigathi Gachagua was impeached by both the National Assembly and the Senate. The leaders, who included Busia Senator Okoiti Obtata, claimed that Gachagua was not accorded a fair hearing during the impeachment motion. They further opposed the appointment of Interior CS Professor Kithure Kindiki as Deputy President. We are preparing that story. It shall be playing here in a few. Now, a middle-aged woman is nursing a bullet injury after she was allegedly shot by police who were dispersing rowdy youth in a gang fight in New Canaan Estate, Nakuru County. Alice Wanjiku was shot in the abdomen minutes after one of the youth was lynched by rival gang members. The residents have faulted the police in the neighboring Nakuru East sub-county, where criminal gangs continue to thrive and plan their criminal activities. Ken Gashuhi reports.
Alice Wanjiku is the latest victim of a violent clash between criminal gangs from Nakuru East. The gangs have continued to terrorize residents of New Canaan Estate in the neighboring Gilgil constituency. Wanjiku was hit by a bullet in her abdomen as the police were dispersing rival gangs in the estate.
So unajua hapo sana kila mtu aokoe maisha yake, tukitoroka, tukiokoa watoto. Hapo ndo nilisikia kama kitu imenishika hapa. Nikaona huyu askari amesimama hapo, huyo mwenye alinishoot. Hapo ndo nilimfunulia nguo juu hapo nilianza kusikia kauchungu, nikafanya hivi sweta, nikaona damu imeruka hivi.
Wanjiku claims that in her state, the officer who allegedly pulled the trigger did not show any remorse for his actions.
Hapo ndo aliniambia, enda kwa nyumba ulale, ama utashutiwa tena.
Umepiga bibi yangu risasi. Kinaniuma sana mpaka saa hizi. Aliniuliza swali, je, kwani hajakufa?
She was rushed to the nearby dispensary where doctors administered first aid to her.
Daktari akaniangalia, akasema ati nilishutiwa na ikatokea pande ingine.
Joseph Kuria, the estate chairperson, says police had arrived in the area to stop a fight between rival criminal gangs from the neighboring Nakuru East sub-county who had come to avenge the lynching of one of their members.
Mwenye ameuliwa katika karibu na kanisa ya Deliverance hapa. Na ni vile mzozo walisozana vijana. Wenyewe kwenyewe. Watu ya Fredi walikuja wakasema ni kijana ni yao.
The locals have faulted security agencies in Nakuru East, which has been a haven for criminal gangs, especially in Free Area and Bondeni estates. According to them, the fight was triggered by drug dealing, which has become a norm in the recent past. Gilgil Sub-County Police Commander Winston Mwokio confirmed that a report on the incident had been made and 2 youths arrested in an ongoing operation. He, however, says they are yet to confirm whether Wanjiku's injury was from a bullet or a different object. Ken Gashuhi, KTN News.
Thank you, Gashuhi, for that report. Now, meanwhile, a section of leaders and human rights groups have condemned the manner in which